How to change your language on Indeed. Now the first thing you want to do is be on Indeed. So come onto the Indeed website and just make sure you are logged in. So originally I thought you'll be able to go up to your settings and change your language from there. As you can see, there's nothing about changing your language in any of these settings. So this is actually possible, however we have to go to a different URL because for some reason it's not in the main settings. It is like kind of hidden away a bit. So what we have to do is go up to the URL and type in indeed.com. Then from here we want to type / and then preferences. And then when we search, here's where we can actually change the language on Indeed. So it gives us a few different options about jobs and results. But as you can see at the bottom, it says language. And here we can set the interface language. So obviously it's on English at the moment, but if you wanted to change it to any of these, you can do so from here. It hasn't actually got tons of languages to choose from. It doesn't have every single one. However, you will be able to choose any of these if you do speak any of these languages. So you just want to click which one you want to change it to. And then you can click this Save Preferences button here. And then click OK. And that is how you can change your language on Indeed. If you found this video helpful, please comment down below to say this video helped you out. And then like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.